Hello friends, in this video we are going to install Google Chrome web browser on Ubuntu 20.04. So let's start the tutorial. So first of all, we have to use this wget command on the terminal. So let's open the terminal. Here we go to the terminal. Just paste this command. It will download the Google Chrome. Right? It's downloading the Google Chrome from the URL. It's done. Now we are going to install this command using the sudo apt install this directory. So it is installed. Now let's move to the Google Chrome. So here you can type and see the Google Chrome is there. So this is how you can install the Google Chrome easily. Okay, and yeah, you can run the Google Chrome. See, the Chrome is there. I have already installed, but this command, you see the last command, uh, where it is the following package. When I try to install this, note selecting Google Chrome stable instead of Chrome current version. This is already at the newest version. Means I have already installed by this method, and it's if I run this command the last moment, it will install the Google Chrome directly, right? So this is how we can install the Google Chrome on the Linux based system, and it is Ubuntu 20.20. So you can install this using this command. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.